Hey buddy, yes, I'm back once again. And we're here today with something from a company called Totallee. I believe that's how I'm saying it correctly. And they contacted me with regards to seeing the edge-to-edge screen protector for the iPhone XS. So I figured, you know what? Why not? We'll have a see what it looks like. We'll see what it's all about. So if you want to check out Totallee, we'll put a link down below. I want to say thank you to them for sending this out to me for the review. They also sent me, I believe it's a case. So we'll have a look at that in the same video. And yeah, let's see what it's all about. One thing I must say, I do like the kind of presentation. So you can just get the name on there, and then there's literally nothing else apart from totalleecase.com. And it's 2019 trademark. Oh yeah, be careful. So basically you kind of slide it out, and as you can see here, it is for the iPhone XS. Yeah, I said XS, I know. Boom. Right, so we'd love a review. As a small business, your feedback, it makes a huge difference. Need help? We've got you covered. So if you do get one of these, you need any help, they are there to help for you. Yeah, that's kind of counts. Hello guys, happy days. So let's slide that off and put it over here. Let's see what we get. So again, it's nice packaging is this one. So you get the alcohol prep pad. Cool. You get the actual screen protector itself, which we'll take a look at in just a second. And then you get your installation guide. I must say, I do like how the way it's all laid out. It's super easy. So installation, wipe the screen clean with the alcohol prep pad. Remove dust and moisture with the microfiber cloth. And then peel off the mask, carefully align the pieces, and that's job done. If you want to check out the video instructions, they've got bit.do/Totallee. That's pretty much it. Let's have a look at the screen protector itself. I'll say it feels pretty weighty, but I think it's got like a plastic, there might be some kind of glass kind of backing on there. So you can see, yeah, it's got the cutout at the top for the sensor. Actually, it's for the earpiece, I believe, actually. It's a little bit different than a screen protector I've had in the past, because normally they've got like a cutout. So this is a pure edge-to-edge kind of screen protector. Hopefully it's going to feel nice on there. Right, shall we do this? I think we shall. So let me just get into my phone. Just put that there really quickly. Let's see what this is. So I'm going to guess you get the microfiber cloth as well as the alcohol prep pad here. Get our bloody fingers in there. So there we go. It's a nice little microfiber cloth. It's got the actual logo on there as well. I always like that. Nice little touch. So for external use only. Oh, don't worry, I won't be trying to eat it. Contents, one pad. Is 70% isopropyl alcohol. Cool. Let's whap that open. Now, have you ever got these cheap Chinese screen protectors and they send you those yellow and red kind of little alcohol pad things? And the one that's meant to be wet is always dry. Yeah, let's hope this one. Yep, it's a little bit. Yeah, it's got a little bit of moisture. Not a lot of moisture, but hey, hopefully it's going to have enough to do what we needed to do today. So I'm just going to turn the screen off and let's give it a wipe down. So yeah, actually, it doesn't have a lot of moisture at all inside here. It's a bit of a shame. Tell you what, it's cleaning it. I can feel it. It's got a bit of resistance on there, so it is doing something. So hopefully I'll do there, and then we'll use the microfiber cloth they do provide. Yeah, I mean, I can feel something. I mean, you might be able to see it better than I can, but there wasn't a lot. If I'm being honest with you, there wasn't a lot of moisture on that at all. So they might want to get a new supplier of these. But hey, seems to be okay. Let's have a look. We got any bits on there? It's looking pretty nice. So I believe it's just going to be a matter of pulling this off here. So I'm probably going to pop it off and then align it, and Bob's your uncle. Tell you what, let's just zoom in a little bit. Bring that around about here. Right. Ready for this? Yep. There we go. You can't see it. So I've never had this one before. It's like a hard piece of plastic. It's very thin. I'm not sure I've seen a screen protector as thin as this one. So let's have a look. So let's see if I can Probably have to get a little bit close to the screen here to make sure I line it properly. So if my head does pop in, then, don't mind me. Go. I think that's about right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of lay it on, pop it in the middle. Yeah, that seems just about right. So you can probably see there. Oh, can you see it? The screen protector is now working its way all the way around there. There we go. It's all to the edges. And what you do is just use the cloth included and just kind of rub up to the edge to make sure that every little air bubble is out of there. So that seems okay there. Seems like I might have a tiny one in this little corner here, but nothing that's going to kill me. And I've got this one down the bottom here. So let me just work this out and I'll be right back with you. Right, and there we have it. It's on. And I must say, I do like it. One little bit of criticism, because obviously, you know me. I say it as it is. If I don't like it, then I'll tell you. Good thing is I do like this. It is actually a really nice screen protector. All these bloody bits, go away. The one thing is it doesn't go, I mean, it's meant to be the edge to edge. It kind of goes to the edge, but not quite as edge to edge as I was kind of expecting. If I can kind of show him and get it to focus on my hand, you should. Focus. Okay, focus on my hand first. Thank you. And if I bring this in, you can see it there. It almost goes all the way to the pure edge. So when you are kind of like swiping in like that, it's not completely smooth, but to be fair, it is smooth enough. The actual rounded off corners, I think it's 2D glass, is actually pretty nice on there. So if you are in an application, let's say you are in Twitter, and you want to swipe back on something, if it ever loads up, so as you can see there, you can swipe into it like that. It does feel pretty damn nice on there. And you can't feel it at the bottom, which is really, really nice. I think this is going to be my next screen protector to stay on there for a while, peeps. Unless I've got any other ones that come in, and then unfortunately I'll have to take it off to test the other one. But for now, apart from this, the little alcohol prep pad, which was kind of like one of those that you get in the cheap Chinese kind of screen protectors, you know what I'm talking about, those green and bloody pinky red ones, they're awful. It was similar to that, so maybe invest in new ones of these, possibly. But yeah, anyway, we've actually got the case, haven't we? So we've got a case to look at as well, I believe. So let me just go pop over here. So I think it's this here, so let's open it up. I believe it's going to be a case. Let's have a quick look. Right, so California based and a 2-year warranty. A slim and minimal phone case. So again, I will have to check my correspondence with them. And that's alright. Oh, geez, that is very thin. And very, very thin. And that's actually going to match my phone perfectly. Because obviously I do have this space grey one. Geez, that is a very, very thin case. We're talking so thin that the screen protector even slightly raises up out of it a little bit. You can probably see that. If I want to focus. See it there, just raise up a little bit. You can actually feel the screen protector a tiny, tiny bit. But wow, the button is literally flush now. Tell you what, I will leave a link to this case as well. I'll leave a link for the whole company. Again, they are Totallee cases. I think it's totalleecase.com. So there we go. And again, I want to say thank you to them for actually reaching out to me and offering to send these out for review. So you want to check them out, links below. If you've got any questions with regards to this one or any others, then you know, you can put a comment down below. Don't forget to hit up on Twitter. I am at samjpullen. I'm actually really liking this case. What do you reckon? Nice little faint logo there. You know what? I kind of like this little setup now. Yeah. Happy days. Pretty chuffed with that. Yeah. Anyway, let's finish the video, Sam, because you just keep rambling on. Yep, that's me. Yeah, any questions regarding this or anything else, whether it be a phone, a tablet, a MacBook, a bloody MateBook, you name it, hit me up in a comment down below. You can also hit me up on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, clearly YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram. Every link is down below. You can actually check that down in a little box down there. If you are new to the channel, then go on, smash the subscribe button. Go on, you know you want to. It's completely free. And while you're down there, tickle the like button. Go on, tickle, tickle, tickle. Anyway, people, if you got this far in the video, leave me a comment down below saying I am the creative one. Yeah, let's see who actually gets to the end of my videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. You'll see me. You see the hands. You'll definitely hear me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.